All right, so you're looking to figure out how to pick a roofer. Here are my top 3 recommendations for things to check before you sign any agreement with a contractor. Number 1, what kind of insurance do they have? Are they carrying liability insurance to protect you in case they back into your garage? Do they have workman's comp to protect you in case somebody, God forbid, gets hurt on the project? These 2 things are super important, and unfortunately, depending on the state that you're in, there's not a lot of regulation for contractors to carry insurance. So it's important that you as a homeowner do your own due diligence there and not only receive a copy of their insurance, which most contractors will provide, but also call and verify that that insurance is active. I can personally attest that insurance is very expensive, and some contractors will not pay that bill and let their insurance lapse and still act as an insured contractor. So the first thing you should check is my contractor insured for liability coverage and workman's comp coverage? The second thing I would check is, of course, word of mouth or reviews. In today's day and age, it's 2023 as I record this, you are who Google says you are. Now, there are a lot of people that can pump their reviews full of fake things. There's things to look for. If it doesn't look like a genuine review, it probably isn't. But that being said, always do your due diligence, see what other people are saying, see what their general rating is. I would generally want to work with a company that has 4 stars at a minimum. That being said, if you have enough reviews, say you've been in business for 25 years, unfortunately, accidents are going to happen and those aren't always smoothed over. So I wouldn't write off a company immediately just because they don't have a 5-star rating, because if you've been in business long enough, there's gonna be some disgruntled people. I would look to be above 4.2 and up from there. And of course, always just read through the reviews and you can make your own decision there, but check those for sure. The last one is the systems in which they install on your roof. How detailed were they on their estimate? Are they going down to the decking? Are they putting synthetic felt or tar felt? What type of material are they using on the eaves? Is it gonna be an actual starter or a 3-tab? Are they using an architectural shingle or a 3-tab shingle? You always want a system installed. And what that means is a manufacturer, whether that's GAF, Owens Corning, Atlas, Certainty, these are just a couple, they have specs for how their products are supposed to be installed so that they're warranted for the most amount of time. If a company is piecemealing your roof together, you're relying entirely on that contractor for a warranty, and that's not always best because 90% of contractors go out of business in their first 2 years. So you want to ensure that that company that does put on your roof is putting on a manufacturer system so that you get that lifetime warranty through them. God forbid anything happens to that company. And the way that you can check to make sure that you're getting a system is 1, you ask about manufacturer warranties, and 2, you get a detailed itemized estimate. You don't need to necessarily know what each line item costs. It's just important that you know each line item that is being done on your roof. Are they replacing the flashing? Are they putting on the system? Are they going down to the deck? So those are the top 3 things I would check before deciding or signing up to work with a roofer. I would check if they have general liability and workman's comp insurance. I would check to see what their reviews are, make sure it's above a 4.2. And lastly, make sure they're installing manufacturer systems. If you've gained anything from this today, please like, share, and maybe toss a comment and we can do a video on your questions.